Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Beyond Stories. Today I'll tell you a story of the Elephant Man drug trial. So before we begin the story, let me just tell you what is clinical trial. So clinical trials are research conducted on human beings to determine whether the new drug or treatments are both safe and effective. So now let's go to the infamous Elephant Man drug trial. The story begins with Tigenero Immunotherapeutics developed a drug named TGN1412, which was manufactured by another company called Boehringer Ingelheim, and it was meant to treat leukemia and other autoimmune diseases. Trial of this drug in monkeys showed no problems at all. So now it was time to try on humans. In March 2006, 8 healthy volunteers were selected to take part in this trial, and it was organized by an US company called Parexel. Volunteers were paid £2,000 to be given this drug at Northwick Park Hospital in London. 6 men were injected with the trial drug and 2 men received placebo, but staff didn't know who received what. Soon it became evident as all 6 men who received the study drug became seriously ill. Roughly 50 minutes after the first participant received his dose, he complained of headache and soon afterwards fever and pain. He took his shirt off, complaining that he felt like he was burning. Shortly after, the remaining participants who received the actual drug also became ill, vomiting and complaining of severe pain. The first patient was transferred to Northwick Park Hospital Intensive Care Unit 12 hours after infusion, with others following within next 4 hours. A severely affected volunteer is describing having suffered a ballooned head. This led to his description as being similar to the Elephant Man. A volunteer also lost his fingers and toes as a result of being injected with the drug. The patients had suffered an extreme immune response called as cytokine storm. They were given huge dose of steroids and kept alive by machines as their vital organs began to shut down. Doctors did not know if they would survive and told the relatives to say their goodbyes. According to press release on 5th July 2006 from Northwest London Hospital's NHS Trust, the men were treated, the patients continued to improve, and 5 of them went home a month from the incident, while 1 patient remained in hospital until 26 June when he also went home. Tigenero apologized to the families involved soon after the events, insisting that the effects were completely unexpected and that all protocols were followed. The regulatory agency MHRA issued a report on 25th May 2006 stating that it found no deficiencies in Tigenero's preclinical works or Parexel's process or Boehringer Ingelheim's manufacturing. In December 2006, final report from the experts group on phase 1 clinical trials were published. It found that trial had not considered what constituted as a safe dose in humans, and then the current law had not required for it. It made 22 recommendations, including the need for testing only 1 volunteer at a time in case there was any rapid ill effects, and administering the drug slowly by infusion rather than an injection. The developing company Tigenero Immunotherapeutics went bankrupt that year. Commercial rights were then acquired by Russian startup Theramab. The drug was renamed as TAB08, and phase 1 and 2 trials have been completed for arthritis and clinical trials have been initiated for cancer.